Meat price has increased recently, so it's time to eat more fish. In this video, I'm going to compare the 3 popular methods that reduce fishy smell. I intentionally used frozen fish from the grocery store for this experiment to make it more challenging. Of course, it should also work for freshly caught fish. This is a piece of rockfish fillet. Let's divide it into 3 pieces. We're going to try one method for each piece. Cook them in the same way. And then ask my family to vote which method is most effective in reducing fishy smell. The fishy smell mainly comes from the oxidized fat near the surface of the meat. It's hard to wash the unpleasant smell off with pure water. So the first method is to simply use salt water to wash the fish. Let's try it out with the first piece. For the second piece, let's be a little luxury by using milk to wash it. The last piece will be washed with cooking wine. After soaking the fillet for 5 minutes, let's rinse it with water and dry it with paper towel. We only add salt and pepper today, so that the fishy smell is easy to tell. The fish is pan-fried with butter and lemon. If you're interested, I have the detailed recipe in a different video with a link in the description. Here is the voting results from my family on which method is most effective. Salt water got 2 votes. Milk got 3 votes, and cooking wine got 1 vote. Everyone said the dish was so delicious. If you enjoy fishing or cooking, please consider subscribing to my channel.